Welcome back, people. Today we're here at Sharps Creek Recreational Site. This is a beautiful spot. I've been wanting to come here and make a video for a while. You can see a lot of the workings that previous people have done, cleared out all around this rock. All along here, everything's been creviced. Here's where I'm set up. I'm working around this tree root, chasing it down, trying to go down in there. You see all the undercut bank up here? That's where Mama's working. Look at this hole they mined out over here. It's like a little cave. We'll be checking that one too. They got another big one over here. Just a lot of workings. This is a very historical spot for gold. It's just a beautiful place. But I'm gonna do my 2-bucket test out of this hole, see what kind of gold we can get. And we'll jump up there, start processing some of that and just play around for the day. But this is a beautiful spot to take your family. They got amazing swimming holes here, and it's called Sharps Creek Recreational Site. Unfortunately, it closes in October, so it's closed right now for the winter. But if you're out here in the summer, this is a beautiful place to play. Tons of gravels and very good gold. This is a nugget spot, so you can get nuggets here. Mama's over here running the material. I don't know if you guys could see this, but it's just filled with, like, I don't know, yard debris or whatever. It's got a lot of plant matter in it, but there's also pickers in this. There's really nice chunks of gold forming on that mat. You're not going to be able to see it in this camera light with her running, but I can't wait for this clean out. And we actually did 3 buckets, just so you guys know. So this is a 3-bucket test, but much coarser, much bigger gold here. Fucking rock. We'll hold that. I'm gonna try to zoom in on that for you. You can see that picker right there. There's a few good ones in that bucket, in that pile. But I'm gonna let it clear out for a few seconds and then cleanup time. So these black pans, once you screen it 100 minus, that's what that size is. I think it's something like that, or 50 minus. This baby little ledge in here for finishing, it really makes cleaning this black sands up a lot easier. You can wash away a lot of that lighter stuff and not hold on to too much of it. Where the green pans, you'll just be keeping it all, and you really fight to get rid of this stuff. So I really recommend these black pans. There should be a link in the description for it below. It works really good for this. I'm just trying to get rid of some of these lighter materials real fast so I can see what's in it. It's pretty hard to get gold to leave the pan, but you do want to keep flashing it back. And because I'm panning it down right here into the creek instead of something like a toad at home or at camp, I don't want to lose anything, so I'm trying to be a little more careful than I normally would, or I'd gunsling this crap. But I'm going to get this work down a little bit better, and then we'll show you guys the gold, whether I finish it here or when we get back to camp or home. So all packed up, tons of black sand in that stuff, so we're going to go ahead and take it home and play with it. I don't want to lose any of it. But on our way out, we're going to go ahead and pick up some trash. As you can see, people are leaving trash everywhere. Just sucks. I hate seeing that, but I'm going to grab as much trash as I can on my way up, and we're going to go ahead and head on out of here. Yep, I already got one bag in the RV, and as you can see, there's just more than I could deal with here. This whole thing is lined with trash. And as much as I'd like to fill some bags and leave them on the side of the road for somebody to pick up, they just get spread out from critters. So off we go. All right, back here at camp, just to show you guys how much gold there is. Got a picker and a bunch of coarser gold with a lot of little specky ones in there, but much better gold than the Umpqua. Much better gold. I went to go do the homemade blue bowl, but for some reason the pump wasn't working. I played with it for 20 minutes. I'm gonna have to go buy another 120 gallon per hour pump for it. So instead I just used the old spoon trick, spoon at a time, to reduce the black sands down. Went through it really quick. But other than that, if you guys are bored looking for a place to go play, Sharps Creek Recreation Area is an amazing place for much chunkier, coarser gold. You can actually dredge Sharps Creek, Bryce Creek, and a couple of the other creeks there in Bohemian County, but it has to be done between June to September. So if you guys are looking for a place to play, I'm not sure, but you probably have to have a permit for anything mechanized. Gravity dredging, you don't. You can't exceed 4 inches, but I mean, that's just a given nowadays with all these crybabies. So anyhow, there it is. That's Sharps Creek Recreation Area. Be sure to go check it out if you're looking for a place to play. And until the next time, may your water always have some type of surfactant in it. May you always classify down your materials really well, and hopefully all your pans have gold in them. But until next time, later.